Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese. I am Abdurrahman, and at first I will say I am sorry with webcam. I don't have because I changed some things in the laptop and I couldn't make it correct. So in these videos, I don't have a webcam in videos. Sorry for that, but later I will try to solve that. And I searched a lot, but I couldn't find its solutions on the internet, and I didn't want to waste my time to search that, and I decided to make new videos. And some videos will like this. Hopefully, I will solve this problem later. And later, if you want to support me, you can subscribe. And end of the video, don't forget there are cards here, and in cards there are five questions with characters. So you will solve that. I'm asking their meaning or their tones. Pay attention there. It makes learning funny. Okay, let's start the lesson here. We have a structure and we will use these structures in sentence. But first we will write their tones. Here, bu for tone, hao, bu, tai, third tone, tai, fourth tone, do, do, first tone, bu, fourth tone, mang, second tone, ye, third tone, en, third tone, mang, second tone, do, do, first tone, en, third tone, mang, second tone, bu, fourth tone, lay, fourth tone, lay means tired, mang means busy, hao means good, you know that, time means very, and here, bu, tai, lay, do, bu, lay, lay. Okay, let's make a sentence. And I found some features about the Bandicam, and I will write the sentence bigger and later write new sentence. I will show it. I think it will be better than before. Okay, 不好, what can we make? Which sentence? I think you can say simple sentence 我不好, I am not good. 我不好, 我不好. Here there is a fourth tone and we will use half third tone. Here 我 is third tone, but 我不 it's half third tone. 我不好, 我 means I, 不 not, 好 means good, I am not good. Okay, let's test the new sentence here. 不太好, you can say 他不太好. 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 But here, this tone become the second tone. Okay, because there is a fourth tone come for that, and we will read like ta bu tai hao, bu tai hao, and he okay, my writing is awful. Sorry for that. He is not very good. He is not very good. And I said, if you want to use very in negative sentence, you should use tai. But if you want to use very in positive sentence, you should use good. But it's for now. There are a lot of Chinese character means very. Okay, I think you understood these structures. And let's pass the new one. And here, do, fu, mang. And if you want to use do, our subject must be plural, right? We can say woman, woman, do, fu, mang, woman. Here also notice that this become the half third time. woman, 都不忙. We we are all not busy. We are all not busy. You can translate the sentence like that. We are not all busy. Okay, let's pass the new structure. Here, 也很忙. We can use she, 她. Oh, okay. I think you remember all of them, the tones. Yeah. I also will write here. And 忙. Here, this year become the because they are connected. Second tone. This become second tone. 她也很忙. She is also very busy. She is also very busy. She is very busy too. You can translate like the sentence like that. Okay, let's test the new one. Here, 都很好，都很忙. Sorry. Here we use 都. Our subject must be plural. So here we use this time 他们 they. 他们都很好. Mom, I say tao, sorry for that. Mom. Third one, but we will read this like half third one. Okay. And here, Let's read this sentence.他们都很忙，很忙，很忙，很忙. After done, you observe sound. Later say 忙，很忙，很忙。They are all very busy. They are all very busy. You can translate it like this. Okay. And we learned the sentence. Here, fully. And 我爸爸我important 爸爸不雷 here this fourth one becomes the second one because lay is fourth one. So let's read this. And here we also half third one. Okay. 我爸爸不累，My father is not tired. My father is not tired. Okay. We learned this sentence too. I'm writing and you also write this as characters. You should practice too much to learn characters. Here we have 不累 3 4 top. And what shall we say? 我妈妈. We can use this subject. Mama. Type. Lay. 我妈妈 不 type. Lay. But here this become the second one. Fourth one becomes second one. Okay. And here also half third one. 我妈妈不太累。我妈妈不太累。My mother, not is not very tired. My mother is not very tired. Okay, you can translate this sentence like this. Okay, the last structure. Do, bu, lay. Here our subject must be plural, and we can use again woman. Woman. Do, lay. Also becomes second one. And here half third one. Okay, let's read the sentence. 我们都不累。We are all not tired. We are all not tired. Okay, guys. In this lesson, I think there is nothing else I didn't say. If you have any question, you can write on comment section, and please write, do you like the videos like this, because before I need to write smaller than this, because there is no this option and I can delete uh, everything quickly. So I think it's better than before, and you write your ideas uh, on the comment section, please. See you in the next video. Thank you guys. See you.